Starting to learn English or any language can be both exciting and challenging. Here is a step-by-step guide to help a beginner get started. Set clear goals. Determine why you want to learn English, e.g., for travel, work, studies. Set specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound SMART goals. Learn the basics alphabet and numbers. Familiarize yourself with the 26 letters of the English alphabet and basic numbers. Pronunciation. Learn the sounds of English letters and common words. Resources like the International Phonetic Alphabet, IPA, can be helpful. Build vocabulary. Start with everyday vocabulary such as greetings, common objects, days of the week, colors, etc. Use flashcards or apps like Anki, Duolingo, or Memrise to help memorize new words. Basic grammar. Understand basic sentence structure, subject plus verb plus object. Learn the present simple tense and basic verb conjugations. Familiarize yourself with common articles, a, n, the, prepositions, in, on, at, and pronouns, I, you, he, she, it. Practice listening and speaking. Listen to English language media such as songs, podcasts, and YouTube channels designed for beginners. Practice speaking with language exchange partners, tutors, or using language apps like HelloTalk or Tandem. Reading and writing. Start with simple text like children's books, simple news articles, or online resources for beginners. Practice writing basic sentences and then short paragraphs about yourself, your daily activities, or any topic of interest. Immerse yourself to surround yourself with the language as much as possible. Change the language settings on your phone or computer to English. Try to think in English and practice speaking it even if you're alone. Practice consistently. Dedicate a specific time each day to study English, even if it's just 15 to 30 minutes. Regular practice is key to making progress. Join a class or group. Enroll in an English course if possible. Community colleges, language schools, and online platforms offer structured lessons. Join local language clubs or online forums like Reddit's R Language Learning or R English Learning. Get feedback. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Use them as learning opportunities. Seek feedback from native speakers or teachers to improve your pronunciation, grammar, and usage.